garbage in and around the city.
As part of its efforts in reaching out to the young voters, the Election Department, Government of Meghalaya on Saturday launched the state-level sweep program titled Taking Youth and Democracy Together. In line with the program, a friendly football match was played between Election 11 team and Press 11 team and Meghalaya Football Association. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Secretary D.P. Watlang said that election is a very important process in a democratic setup like India, asking people to come out and vote on large numbers this April 19. The Chief Secretary also called for peaceful and just election. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari highlighted the role played by media is disseminating information about the electoral process to the masses. Earlier, the players from both the teams gave their best to win the match, and after a closely fought match, the Press 11 won the match 1-0.
Process of elections, and also to spread the awareness and ensure that fellow citizens come out to vote on the 19th of April 2024.
The Shillong College on Saturday